Assalamu rahmatullah. Wahid here. This is the pond we dug for our ducks, which somehow has got filled in, and I am going ahead and digging it now so we can make it deeper and fill it with water once again. So this is the task for the day. Let's see how it goes. So I've got some help, and alhamdulillah we managed to do a lot. So it's almost done. Perhaps another 20 minutes, half an hour's work, and we'll be able to fill it up with water. And I'll bring you along and show it to you once we do that, and once that is done. And the joy of geese and ducks would be amazing.